9. My name is Elizabeth Telles. I'm going to tell you some things about my trip. In the month of August this year, I traveled to the beautiful city of Colombia, Bucaramanga. I made this trip in the company of my mother, my nephews, and my boyfriend. The first stop we made was in San Gil, where an uncle of my mother. It's a very nice house, but very far from the city. We spent that night there. We each one sleep in different room, and the next day we got up late. Then made breakfast and lunch. In the afternoon we went to Bucaramanga. We wanted to make several stops, but it was not possible due to time issues. When we arrived in Bucaramanga, we went to visit my uncle and my cousin. My cousin, who had suffered a serious accident. He for flower accident. That night we stayed in the police club in the city. This is a highly recommended and especially cheap place. I enjoy my stay and without about my company. This is my infographic that my trip in Bucaramanga. This is San Gil. This is house my uncle, my dad uncle, my mother is beautiful, is big. It had 7 rooms. Is big. This is center Bucaramanga. This is my sister. This is my brother. This is my mom. This is my nephews. This is my brother, my boyfriend. This is a police club. This is the police club. This is my boyfriend. And this is my family. My mom, my nephews, my boyfriend. And tips for travel Bucaramanga is you must go with enough money. You should wear a jacket and blanket. We should have a good guide. Should slow eat culona aunt. Unrecommended and sincerely recommended that you visit Chicamocha Park. It's beautiful. It's big. It's beautiful. Goodbye. See you later. Thank you.